Alright, you guys, so these are the beads that I came up with. There's actually 3 different sizes in here. They all look the same, but it's 3 different sizes in here. If you want, you can get the template for these on the website, but I'm interested to see how this is going to come out because it's very different from theirs. This looks more like pastel. It even reminded me of like Easter kind of. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to seal them with some Mod Podge. You can use the other one, but this is just the one that I have on hand ready to go. This is the dishwasher safe one. So I'm wondering if the dishwasher safe one will actually, like, does this help it be like water resistant? Don't know. Okay, don't know, but I'm going to do 1 coat of this, and then as you guys know, I'm going to use my PC petrifier to harden the beads, and I'm going to grab that right now so that you can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I just have it in this little tiny jar right here, and with that I do 1 coat of that. And then after I do my 1 coat of that, oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I seal it, and when I seal it, I use a polyacrylic. I just use this to seal it. And now with this is where I might put like 4 or 5 layers just to get a really nice gloss and shine. You can also use, what is that stuff called? Goodness, what is that stuff called? Diamond glaze. You can also use Dimensional Magic by Mod Podge. It's all types of stuff out there that you can use for gloss. But I do like 4 to 6 coats of that. So this process takes a long time with the different types of coats. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and be back. Alright, you guys, so this is what it's looking like with just the sealer and the wood hardener. As you can see, it is glazed a little bit. It does look a little bit shiny, but let me see if I can focus this a little bit more. But I'm still going to add at least 3 coats of some glaze on here. And I still have some beads left. I have done what, 60 beads altogether. I'm hoping that I can use 20 for the bracelet and 40 for the necklace, and I hope that'll be enough. Like, I'm hoping, because y'all, I got lazy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I got straight lazy, and this is a lot of layers here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with just 2 coats and see what 2 coats look like. Crossing my fingers, because I hope for the best. I'm trying to get up out this craft room, y'all. Like, I've been in, no, you know what, I started to lie and say I've been in here all day, but I have not. I just came back. We took the kids walking. We went on like a little 2-mile hike at the park, playing some little soccer, kickball, whatever. So no, I have not been in here all day. I was going to lie and say I have, but I have not. I did get out. So Yeah. Let's see what these 2 coats of glaze look like. Alright, you guys, so I am done with the first layer. I wanted to come on here. I'm going to get this to focus in, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys just one coat. As you can see, it is shiny. Can I go? There we go. Yeah, so that does look good, but I'm going to go ahead and do another coat. Like I said, I might do 4. Who knows? We'll see. But you guys, upon doing the first coat, I noticed there's a bead missing here. This bead is completely gone. There's a bead missing here, you guys. And then this bead right here is also gone. And I asked my kids, and guess what? Of course, nobody knows. The beads are just gone. Now, this is the bead, but guess what? They done did something to this. This one got dents and kinks all in it. I can't even use that bead. So I no longer have 60. I am down to 56 because 4 beads are gone. Or should I say 3? Because that one's there, but it's got dents in it. I can't use it. So, you guys, I hope that's enough. I'm going to go ahead and do another coat, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is 3 coats in. I end up doing 3 coats. Not bad. Let me put another one beside it. They are pretty shiny. You could do more. I think I'm going to stop at 3 coats. Y'all, I'm tired. I'm going to stop at 3 coats. So what I'm going to do now, I think I'm going to do the necklace on elastic. Yeah, because I want it to be like a wrap. So I want you to be able to double the necklace. So I'm going to do, or should I just do just 2 separate necklaces? No, I'm just going to do a wrap. I'm just going to do elastic wrap. And then I'll probably do a 3 layer wire bracelet. So I'm gonna go and get my materials, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so this is the necklace. This is how it came out, you guys. Look at that, and you can see the glaze. You can see the beads just shining. I love how it came out. And of course, if you want it, like, you can make it one shorter, one longer. You can make them even. You could even, you know, like, turn this. Oh man, her little earring came off. Turn it to a side that you like. You can have it really long if you want it. It's up to you. And then let's go down here to the matching bracelet. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Oh, and I did put a little charm on it. Look at it. So cute. You guys, like, I love this set. I thought it was going to be like too Eastery, but it's perfect for spring. So if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.
Slide the beat that you got.